Hello everyone, and welcome to this short video to take a deeper look at the Connection Manager component of IoT83's application enablement platform. I'm Lee House, the CEO of IoT83, and with me is Jayant Puri, IoT83's VP of Engineering. We kick this off with a high-level diagram of our application enablement platform. You may have seen this before. These are the main workflows the platform provides. Working together, the Connection Manager, ETL Studio, Code Engine components, Insight Studio, Dashboard Studios, and more dramatically cut the cost, risk, and time to market to build powerful IoT solutions. But today, we're going to take a deeper look at what the Connection Manager provides to simplify rapid application development for complex IoT solutions. One important thing about truly powerful IoT solutions is that they'll need to connect to lots of different data sources. They need to connect to your target IoT devices, but also other databases, existing files, existing enterprise software, or even other third-party applications. The Connection Manager is what enables this on the IoT application enablement platform. So let's take a tour. Jayant, can you give everyone a demonstration of how the Connection Manager works in our application enablement platform?
Surely. Hello, everyone. So this section is personally my favorite. I would actually call this as the heart of the system. So everything starts from here. Now, before I take a deep dive, okay, so let me just ask a question. What if someone said that, they need a Mongo connection? So I'm just arbitrarily taking any name. They need a Mongo connection, and some data needs to be kind of taken out and pushed into Mongo. So practically, how much time would you think it would take? Maybe 2 days, setting up the Mongo cluster, writing adapters, creating the database layer, and finally security. I mean, somewhere about 2 to 3 days. Now, what if I said that using Flex, all this is possible in just a matter of clicks? Yes, I mean, you heard it right, clicks. So let's take an example of Mongo. So all we need is a connector, and the connector here means a connection to the database so that the other modules of Flex83, which we have covered in detail in our different videos, can actually leverage from these connectors. So a very basic example. You have a Mongo database which is hosted in your cloud, public cloud, let's suppose, and you want to use Flex83 to pull some data from that Mongo instance and put it to maybe Kinesis. Okay, so what if this is a use case? So traditionally, what you would need is you would need to write some code to pick the data from Mongo. You would need to set up the Kinesis connectivity, write all the adapters, use Amazon's libraries and the like. And then finally, once the connectivity is established, you would write your business logic to pull data from Mongo, massage it, put it to Kinesis, because these systems are different, so they understand data in a different format. Now, when you use connectors, all you are doing is you're just first click, second click, just provide a name to the connection, and that's it. So since this I have created this as an internal connector, so that's why you're not able to see the URL. But when you create an external connector, you can actually specify the database URL here, and all you need to do is just test and save it. So that is it. That is needed to establish a connectivity between Flex and Mongo. Similarly, if I talk about Kinesis, this being a third party or third party hosted thing, all you need is a secret key and access key. You select the region, you select the stream name, done. No extra step. So that's why I said in the beginning, this is the most favorite place, because it gives you so much power that you can practically pick data from anywhere and put it anywhere. And this would be further used in not only just ETL, but again, take an example of a case where you want to do some ML on the data. So all you need is data, connectivity, and rest the system takes care of it. So we have detailed videos. So I'm not, so this, since this video is about connectors, I won't be getting into the details about MLs and ETLs, but you can anytime go and visit the detailed video section on our website to get I'm sorry. You can anytime go and visit the detailed video section of our website to get details around that. Now, again, let's take another example. Let's say what if your data is coming on MQTT? All right, specify your server. If you want authentication, just enable that. And if you want certificates, just enable that. Put your certificates there. Specify the topics, add on as many topics as you want, define the schema of the topic. You can generate the schema, specify the schema. And this is very, I mean, looking at this, it looks like it's really simple, but behind the scene, all the hard work has been done for you already, so that you don't have to worry about setting up the brokers and enabling authentication. All you need to do is just create the connection and get going. Once you have your connection to the MQTT brokers, once you have your connection to Kinesis, all you need to do is just write business logic. That's it. So that's why I would say this again is a very important section, and this would enable you to actually really decrease the time that you need to build applications, because this is the toughest piece. Setting up database connectivity, setting up the wiring and the internet working is really a difficult thing to do. So if this thing has been made really easy, so I would say 30 to 40% of the work is already been done. So all you need to do is just worry about the business logic, the rest the system will take care. And as you see, we are adding more and more connectors. So if your devices are talking to LoRa IoT, if your devices are talking over Sigfox, we have connectors for any of these. And this is just like this is just a glimpse. And this is just a glimpse. As we release more and more versions of Flex 83, you will see the connectors getting better and better day by day. You will see lots and lots of connectors being added. So with that, I would say, I mean, just try this out, sign up today, try it out, try the connectors, and let us know what you feel about that. I'm sure you would really love this section of the platform, and write to us, contact us. We would be there to answer all your questions. With this, I would hand over back to Lee.
Jan, as usual, that was great. That was a great overview of the Connection Manager capabilities of our IoT 83 application enablement platform, and we hope you all enjoyed this overview. We also hope that you'll contact us and let us give you a first-hand demonstration, and let us work with you to help you deliver on your own custom IoT solution and business advantage. Thank you.